Be very careful with this. Many people use this plant and they don't know what it does to their health. So watch until the end of this video and please pay close attention to this. And at the end, I'll even teach you 2 super potent teas for your health. This plant restores your memory, protects your brain, and takes care of your heart. When you know everything this plant does for your health, you'll want to have it at home all the time. Benefit number 1, anti-inflammatory. Due to containing eugenol, basil acts as a potent natural anti-inflammatory. 2, sedatives and analgesics. It calms and reduces pain. 3, protects the brain and memory. Basil helps improve a person's retention power. It is rich in corticosterone, which helps improve memory. Also, due to its antioxidant power, it acts as a powerful protector of our brain. Number 4, prevents infections. Having antiseptic and antibacterial properties, basil is powerful in fighting infections. 5, reduces fever. Basil controls fever as a potent antipyretic. 6, digestive. It contributes to good digestion and stomach health. Number 7, expectorant. It acts by clearing congested airways. Benefit number 8, protects the nervous system. Due to its nutrients, it serves as a tonic for our nervous system and mind, relieving stress, fatigue, and tiredness. 9, strengthens the body's immunity. Being rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, it is excellent for strengthening the body's natural defenses. 10, diuretic. Basil contributes to the proper functioning of the kidneys and urinary tract. Number 11, improves oral health. If you want to eliminate unpleasant odors in the mouth, for example, just chew some basil leaves. It is also possible to take care of the gums and reduce toothaches with it. Number 12, rich in iron. Having a good amount of iron in its composition, it favors the formation of red blood cells in the blood. And that's why I'm going to teach you how to prepare 2 very simple and powerful recipes with basil. The first recipe is basil tea with lemon. You will only need 1 liter of water, lemon peels, and a teaspoon of fresh basil leaves. Boil the water, then add the lemon peels and let it boil for 5 minutes. Now, remove from heat and add the basil. Let it steep for 10 minutes, and it's ready. Just strain and drink. For the second recipe, you will only need 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 liter of water, and ginger pieces. Boil the water with ginger. After boiling, turn off the heat and add the basil. Let it steep for 10 minutes and it's ready. And how should I consume it? Basil tea can be taken 2 to 3 times a day before or after meals. And don't forget, the tea should be consumed within 8 hours after being prepared to not lose its medicinal properties. Tell me below what you thought of the video and if you have any questions.